What's up guys? For those of you new, my name is Burke. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my entire Banana Republic clothing collection straight out of my closet. Now, over the years, my collection has grown significantly through purchases online or in person, as well as through gifts from like my girlfriend or even other family members. Currently, I have about 15 total items, as you guys can see. Most of those items range from casual wear like sweaters and chino pants, all the way up to clothes that are a little more formal or at least business casual, like some dress shirts and even a suit. Now, this video isn't sponsored by any means, but if you're a Banana Republic rep out there, wink wink.
You just winked. No, I didn't. You just did it again!
One of the reasons why I continue to purchase Banana Republic clothes is because they have slim fit size clothing that I found fits my skinnier body type better than a lot of other brands out there. I also like their selection of neutral colored clothes, as well as just their minimal type of vibe, which fits my style and personality. Now, I don't really have like a structure to this video, but I just wanted to show you each piece as well as kind of combine some of them. That way you can see a couple outfits and maybe get some inspiration in case you want to go shop at Banana Republic in the future. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. So, to start off with the pants, I actually have 2 pairs of chino pants, 1 pair of dress pants, and then the pants for my suit. So to start off, let's throw on these chino pants so I can show you what they look like. So these are the first pair of chino pants. As you guys can see, they fit my legs like really well. And I do have skinnier legs than most guys. I absolutely love like the light gray color as well, just because they are so easy to mix and match with so many different clothes, and can go with like white, can go with black. These are by far my favorite pair of chinos, and I wear these all the time to work, or even if I'm hanging out with friends or doing anything casually as well. These are the second pair of chinos. As you can see, this is also kind of a neutral color. It's like a kind of like a off-white type of chinos. These aren't as slim fit as the other ones. They're a little more baggy, but I really love the fit, and I can just wear these with so many different types of clothes as well. These are another pair of slim fit dress pants. As you can see, the fit is like perfect for my legs. It's not too baggy. Just love the color as well. This is another kind of dark blue that I can match with so many different types of clothes. So in a bit, I'm gonna style these 3 pants with some of the other clothes that I have in my closet. That way you can see some of the outfits that I put together on a daily basis. So for sweaters, I have a couple V-neck sweaters, one in the color black, one in like a charcoal gray, and the last V-neck sweater is in like a light gray. So I want to show you an outfit that I wear. Basically, I threw on the black V-neck sweater, the gray chinos from earlier, and then I threw on some black Chelsea boots. So I usually don't wear V-neck sweaters without like a dress shirt underneath, but recently in the wintertime, I've been rocking this super soft merino wool sweater by itself, and it just looks great. It just looks great casually. Just throw these on with some chinos or some jeans and you're good to go. So I got these shoes from Banana Republic as well. These are just some simple chunky sneakers that I can wear with pretty much all the clothes, maybe not the suit, but all the clothes that you see today. So here's another outfit with the other pair of chinos. I feel like this outfit gives off dad vibes a little bit, but I'm definitely digging with the white sneakers, the chinos, and then the charcoal V-neck sweater. And then lastly, to just show you the light V-neck sweater. Just a super kind of preppy look. Bruh. The next sweater that I have is this beige crew neck sweater. So this is what the beige crew neck looks like. This is like one of my favorite like base layers. In the wintertime, if you need a base layer to wear on your coats and jackets, I would highly recommend getting a crew neck sweater like this from Banana Republic. So the second to last sweater that I'm gonna throw on is this shawl collar sweater. Basically a shawl collar, if you guys don't know, it basically has a collar just like this, and some have like a little detail like this button right here, but basically, yeah, this is what a shawl collar is. Usually when I throw on a shawl collar, I'll throw on a white t-shirt first. For my pants, I'm gonna go with these navy blue dress pants from earlier. Then for shoes, I'm gonna throw on these brown loafers that I got from Calvin Klein. They're not Banana Republic, but they look good with these shoes. So I really love this sweater just because it looks much more sophisticated than like a normal crew neck or v-neck sweater. If you're looking to kind of dress up a little bit more than normal, then I'd highly recommend getting this shawl collar sweater. So the last sweater that I have is this white and blue striped turtleneck that I got for the winter time. So I'm gonna throw this on with the blue dress pants and some black Chelsea boots. So this is the outfit with the turtleneck and the dress pants. I like this turtleneck just because it's a little more unique than just a plain colored white turtleneck. It has kind of the blue stripes, which adds some more detail, which I like. Paired with these blue dress pants and black Chelsea boots, I think this is just a great smart casual outfit. Just to show you the versatility of all of these clothes, I'm gonna swap the pants and the shoes just to show you another outfit with this turtleneck sweater. Here are the white chino pants that I wore earlier with the white dress shoes. So this is like a really preppy type of vibe. I kind of like the monochrome vibe that I'm kind of going with here with the white shoes, white pants, and the turtleneck, of course. So I pretty much turned this turtleneck from smart casual to more casual, and I could also wear these with the gray chinos that you saw earlier, and maybe even throw on some brown loafers. The versatility with a lot of the clothes that I have from Banana Republic are endless. Next, let's try on some of these dress shirts. So this first dress shirt is this plaid dress shirt. I'm gonna rock my brown Calvin Klein loafers. As you can see, this is a great smart casual outfit. Plaid just gives that earth tone type of vibes with the gray chinos and then the brown dress shoes, as you guys can see. I'm digging the plaid. I don't wear plaid very often, but if I'm looking to throw something on that's a little more casual, then I'll throw on this dress shirt. The next dress shirt is this kind of gray striped dress shirt. So this is smart casual outfit number 2 with this dress shirt. As you can see, another classic dress shirt that looks good with the gray chino pants. I could throw these on with the blue dress pants or the other pair of chino pants as well. This is another one of my go-to dress shirts whenever I'm going into the office and need to look a little bit more presentable. If you wanted to, you could throw this on with a blue blazer or something just to make the outfit a little bit more formal. Next, I'm gonna throw on probably my favorite dress shirt, which is this beige cotton dress shirt. So this is the beige dress shirt that is another great casual shirt. As you can see, I'm gonna leave it untucked and I can just wear this super casually with the gray chinos and the brown loafers. I mean, I could even tuck this in like this, and it's another great smart casual outfit. These are honestly like really simple outfits that I can wear to work or I can wear casually as well if I just keep it untucked. Something I do all the time as well, I'll wear this as like an overshirt and I'll throw like a t-shirt underneath this, and it works as a great kind of layer during the fall and winter months. So that's something you guys can do as well with more of a cotton type shirt like this. Now, the last dress shirt that I want to show you guys is just the classic white dress shirt. So this is the fit of the classic white dress shirt. It's probably the best fitting dress shirt that I own. It is a slim fit shirt, so basically is perfect for my frame. Here's what it looks like with the gray chinos and the brown loafers. This is again another great smart casual look, and 9 out of 10 times I'm probably gonna throw on this white dress shirt if I'm wearing like a suit or something a little more formal. You can't go wrong with just the classic white dress shirt, and if you throw on like a tie or blazer over this, it'll look great with almost anything. So speaking of that, I'm gonna throw on my suit with this white dress shirt. That way you can see the fit of a Banana Republic suit. So here's the look with the suit. Again, this suit I didn't have tailored. It was right off the rack, and basically it fits me like a glove. I've worn this many times for formal type of occasions. Usually I'll throw on a tie to go with this suit, but it also looks great with just the white dress shirt as well if you wanted to style it down. So there you have it. That was my Banana Republic collection. I hope you guys enjoyed pretty much all these clothes that I have in my closet. I think the main thing with Banana Republic, most of the clothes, at least that I own, are super versatile. So you can mix and match between casual and more kind of formal attire. So if you're kind of in the process or trying to revamp your wardrobe, then I'd suggest checking out Banana Republic. If you have a skinnier body type like myself, then this brand is right up your alley as well. One last thing I do want to point out is there's another store called Banana Republic Factory. If you don't know about that, basically they offer massive discounts throughout the year, especially around the holidays. Basically they're Banana Republic clothes that are pretty much like last season and they're just trying to get rid of, but they're the exact same quality clothes at a fraction of the price. I'll link their website down below for you to check them out as well if you want to get discounted clothes. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, then definitely let me know by hitting the like button down below. If you want to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.